So VEVOR ended up gifting us this 6.7-inch electric meat slicer. Now this thing is pretty lightweight and super convenient to use at home. When they say 6.7-inch slicer, they're talking about this plate right here. So it's 6.7 inches long. It does give you 6 inches of depth here and 5 inches of height. So that's as big as your meat should be. Now this plate also flips down, which makes it super convenient to be able to clean the unit. Now the unit also has a guard on it, so you can just sandwich your meat right in and then slice it. And I will say that this slides very nicely. But the entire unit is just under 14 inches long by just under 9 inches wide. So pretty petite unit, but it gets it done. The entire unit is metal, except for this part here. This is more of a heavy-duty plastic type material, but the rest of it is all metal. And they did provide 2 blades. So you have more of a straight cut blade, and then you have more of a rigid type blade. So no matter what type of meat that you're slicing, you're going to be able to cut through it very nicely. Now on the back side of the unit there is a dial, and that's going to determine the thickness of your meat. So you can have it as thin as 1 millimeter, or you can pull it back and you can go as thick as 15 millimeters. So you definitely have some range here on your thickness. And then on the side, it does give you a guide on the thickness as well. And on the side of the unit, this is your on and off switch. And on the bottom of the unit, they do have like suction cup type feet to it. So no matter what surface you put it on, it's not going to scuff it up. So all in all, if you're looking for a meat slicer that's just not going to take up too much room in your cabinet, but that will get the job done, you may want to consider this one. For the price point, you really can't beat it.